Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: How to cast all elements in a list to int in Python. Introduction. Casting all elements in a list to integers is a common operation in Python, especially when dealing with user input or reading data from external sources. In this tutorial, we will explore different methods to achieve this task, along with code examples. Method 1, using list comprehension. Method 2, using the map function. Method 3, using a for loop. Conclusion. Casting all elements in a list to integers in Python can be achieved using various methods such as list comprehension, the map function, or a simple for loop. Choose the method that best suits your coding style or the specific requirements of your project. These techniques are handy for converting user input or data from external sources into a format suitable for numerical operations in your Python programs. ChatGPT.